your I open your video. There's one video. This you have ads, but you don't have. I didn't see join button. Wow! Congratulations! Congrats! Congrats, dear. No, last week. Oh, last week because I open your if you monetize. I open your shorts video. Your shorts video, I cannot see join. Join when you open shorts video, you will see join button. I will check again. Okay? Good evening, mommy. Good evening, Marvin. Good evening. But I open your one live, I not live video. You already have ads. I will check again, okay? Mainit. Mag-love shout out, Marvin. Nasa duty ka. Tapos na trabaho mo. Ano ba yan? Mainit. Pinagpapawisan ako. Thank you so much. Just playing on my channel now. All right, Jana, all right. Yeah, I open one of your video. It's you have ads. Yeah, you have ads. Your latest video? I opened that. You have ads. I'm checking. You know why? I said, why? I want to check Jana. I said, I want to check the channel if she monetized already because all your views, all your video, all your live, it's already you have lots of views. Wala pa, mami. Duty pa ako. Duty ka pa. Ay, anong oras? Panggabi ka ba? Panggabi ka pa. Panggabi ka, crispy fries. Mainit, Diyos ko Lord. Mainit. Red pa din. Why you are laughing,